In a quiet village, there lived a wise old woman named Nani, who always seemed calm and happy. One day, a young man came to her, troubled and upset. He said, "Nani, my life feels so unfair. Some days are good, but most days are bad. How can I find peace?" Nani smiled gently and handed him 2 empty jars along with a small pouch of stones. "For the next week," she said, "every time something good happens, drop a white stone into one jar. And when something bad happens, drop a black stone into the other. Bring the jars back to me after a week." The young man agreed and went on his way. Each day, he carefully added stones to the jars. A white stone for the small joys, a cool breeze, a kind word, a good meal, and a black stone for the tough moments, a spilled drink, a disagreement, or a bad mood. At the end of the week, he returned to Nani with the jars. To his surprise, there were nearly as many white stones as black ones. Nani looked at the jars and said, "This is life, my child. Some days are good, some days are bad. But look closer. Don't the white stones remind you that even in difficult times, there's always something to be grateful for?" The young man stared at the jars and smiled. He realized that life wasn't about avoiding the black stones, but about noticing and appreciating the white ones. From that day on, he carried the lesson with him, learning to embrace the good and the bad with equal grace.